species really depend on the tide. And what you're seeing right now is a cascading effect, a domino effect, where whole ecosystems are starting to collapse because of the decline of the submerged species like the ambient there. It's like Jenga. Remember playing Jenga, right? You pull out the wrong brick, and that whole tower comes crashing down.
Về trong này hạ nữa, tôi cứ tự nhiên mất chế nên nó là muốn chỉ thông muốn chỉ
Keep an eye on your left. You'll see some of our animals on the left, but I want to take this time to just offer up a couple of easy solutions
Sao cho nó
to be an ally to some of the animals of the process.
Sư fra ở trong hải
Mary talked about it with
trong hải
jaguars.
bên kia sát tí kia cũng là tan
Shade grown coffee. Shade grown coffee, like the shade of a tree, is a method of coffee harvesting that is more sustainable. It does not disturb any of the rainforest where the jaguar did. And I personally find my shade grown coffee exquisite. It's really a pretty easy thing you can try. Another thing you can try is avoiding products that contain palm oil. But palm oil is a stabilizer. It's used in a lot of different items, food items, cosmetic items, lotion. But label first. And you start making these small little changes, push that needle forward into the direction of our mission statement, which is to create a world where all life thrives.
một cái tay về bé chữa lấy gì nữa sát nhắc từ hồi chỉ còn nhắc từ
It's pretty darn close to the end of the tour here.
có đâu tăng người biết lo sát tốt nè cái trời
But
nó
before we wrap it up, I just want to offer you guys a little something to chew over, a little food for thought. The San Diego Zoo, we were established in 1916. We are a 110-year-old organization. And a lot of really amazing things have happened in our lifetime. So, we've eradicated a lot of diseases. We went to the moon. We invented the internet. But in the very same breath, there's been a pretty steep decline in a lot of wildlife just in our lifetime, just in the last 110 years. And so, to bring it back to our marketing,
ta biết lo một số chuyện nọ
way of life for us here.
nhà ta biết non đào
And the reason for that
cái này biết một tận
is
nọ
we want you to see our amazing animals with your own two eyes. We want you to make these memories. We want you to see Elvis the dog down here. I'm going to give Elvis a little wave. Hi, Elvis. Going to cheat it out. We want you to come back with your children and your children's children 50 years into the future and see all of the same amazing animals you saw here today. Now, on a slightly sadder note, our sister park, the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, they used to have a northern white rhino named Nola. And I saw Nola many times growing up because I am a native of San Diego. Maybe some of you saw Nola as well. But Nola died in 2015. And now there's only 2 northern white rhinos left in the world. And they're both female. So you're looking at a functionally extinct species. And I realize one of these days I'm going to tell my young nephews that I got to see an animal they're never going to get to see. Because that's it, that's the nature of extinction. And that's the scenario we're trying to avoid here. So the good news is that is the scenario you've already helped us avoid many times over. Everybody on this list can take credit for saving the life of the California condor. So give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You guys deserve it. Yeah.
Chị biết sponsor nó.